Today we're going to make a beautiful homemade shampoo with Jamaica flowers, or you can also use hibiscus flowers, and it will turn out exactly the same. And even though you see it like this, with such a beautiful and intense color, it doesn't have a drop of artificial coloring. This color comes from the flowers. This shampoo has an extremely creamy and soft texture with excellent properties for your hair, and it creates a spectacular lather. Let's start with the recipe. Are we going to use Jamaica flowers or hibiscus flowers? They're exactly the same. These flowers are rich in anthocyanins, which are pigments that help protect the scalp and hair from damage caused by free radicals. They also stimulate hair growth because they promote blood circulation in the scalp, and they give the shampoo a natural and super attractive color. We will also need hot water, not boiling, but very hot, 200 milliliters, and we will use 30 grams of flowers. We're going to make an infusion with this. We are going to let it sit for 20 minutes infusing if possible with a small plate on top or whatever you have on hand. We are going to need a container that can withstand high temperatures, and in it we are going to put 16 grams of bihentrimonium mesosulfate, and we are also going to add 10 grams of argan oil. This oil is rich in essential fatty acids, omega-6 and omega-9, which is why it deeply nourishes the hair and scalp. We place it in a double boiler along with the container that has bihentrimonium methosulfate and argan oil, and we are going to leave it in the double boiler without letting it come to a boil. Boil until the bihentrimonium methosulfate melts. Once the bihentrimonium methosulfate has melted, we are going to take both containers out of the water. We are going to slowly add the aqueous phase into the oil phase and mix with a hand whisk, a fork, or a mixer until the emulsion becomes homogeneous. And even if at some point we see that it separates a little, there's no problem. Let's keep mixing because this emulsion will come together and become completely homogeneous. When it's creamy, just like you see here, we let it cool down. When it's below 40 degrees, can we add the rest? First, we're going to add the 10 grams of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin helps keep hair hydrated, preventing the dryness that some surfactants can cause. Is it going to work together with the argan oil for greater hydration? We can add essential oil to give it a scent, whichever scent you prefer, and we're going to add essential oil. Half a gram. Then we'll add 35 grams of cocoa betaine and stir gently so it doesn't create too much foam. In this container here, I have 35 grams of sodium cocoyl isethionate surfactant powder. We're going to add it little by little. The mixture to moisten this sodium cocoa lisethionate and incorporate it better into the whole mixture. We're going to stir very gently, always covering our mouth and avoiding breathing in the sodium cocoa isethionate as it's very irritating. And once we have it really well mixed, we're going to add it to the mixture. At this point, if you want, you can add 3 grams of natural preservative. And now what we're going to do with this mixture is let it rest for 24 hours. You'll see that the color fades. The next day, and as if by magic, it will have this amazing pink color. I would really love for you to tell me in the comments what recipe you would like me to make for you in the next video. Well, now I'll show you how it works. Let's put a little bit of the cream I shared a few days ago how to do it. It's also a homemade cream. Look. You can leave this on for a few minutes at least. I'm going to take it off right away. There, finishing up my hair, it's all set, super smooth, beautiful, really beautiful, honestly. Each day I love natural products even more.